Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Mailchimp and automatically add your form responses as subscribers to your email list. This integration is incredibly useful because it saves you from manually transferring contacts and ensures every new submission goes straight into your Mailchimp audience, ready for your email campaigns. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to typeform.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your forms are displayed. This is your central hub for managing every form you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to connect to Mailchimp, then click directly on its name. This will open up the Forms workspace where you can access all the editing and integration options. Once you're inside the Forms workspace, look for the button labeled Connect at the top of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a search field appear. Here, type Mailchimp into that search field. When Mailchimp appears in the results, click on it. You'll then see an option that says Connect, so go ahead and click that as well. This initiates the connection process between your Typeform and your Mailchimp account. Next, you'll need to authenticate the connection. Click the button that says Authenticate, which will prompt you to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp login credentials to grant Typeform permission to access your Mailchimp data. This step is essential because it allows the two platforms to communicate securely and share information. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken back to the integration setup page. Here you'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select your specific Mailchimp audience from the list. This tells Typeform exactly where to send your new subscribers, so make sure you choose the correct audience that matches your campaign goals. Now comes the mapping process, which is where you connect your form fields to Mailchimp fields. Start with the email field, as this is the most critical piece of information. On the left drop-down, select your form's email question. Then, on the right drop-down, select the email field in Mailchimp. If you need to map additional fields, simply click the plus sign. This allows you to add more field mappings, like matching your form's first name question to Mailchimp's first name field. Repeat this process for any other fields you want to sync, such as last name, phone number, or custom fields you've created. Once you've finished mapping all the fields you need, click Save to activate the integration. From this moment forward, every new response submitted through your Typeform will automatically add that person as a subscriber to your Mailchimp audience. This seamless connection means you can focus on creating great content and campaigns while your subscriber list grows automatically in the background. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.